Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel your iQIYI subscription. Let's get started. Method 1. Cancel iQIYI subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Select RTL app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a iQIYI subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select iQIYI app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And you are done. Method 3. You can also cancel your subscription in my iQIYI account. Please visit on www.iqyiyi.com and log in to your VIP account. Click the profile picture in the upper right corner. My Account. Scroll down and click the change on the right of Manage Subscription to manage your subscription. And you can cancel your subscription very easily. Please note, if you have purchased the VIP on third-party platforms, please contact the third-party platform to cancel the subscription. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.